Hey y'all, just want to show y'all what I got yesterday from Amazon. I got a portable dryer, and I tell y'all, I love this thing. I love it, and it dries so fast. When you open the door, it automatically cuts off, and it dries a pair of jeans, 3 outfits, and what else I had in there? A regular pair of pants in like 30 minutes. I was shocked. I'm talking about dry. Dry. Yep. So this is what I got. I got it in my hallway, which is partially my closet, as y'all can see. So I love it. Oh, and I got this at the hardware store down the street. It's a indoor lint filter. You put a little water in the bottom of it, about ½ an inch. So I got this like for altogether it was $250. It's perfect.
Got this little dryer from Amazon today, and I ordered this dryer vent separately. It's about 20 bucks on Amazon. And so far, so good. It's very quiet, you barely can hear it. And I've dried a couple items in it already today. And I came back again this evening for some other clothes that I washed. It's very easy to use. It was packaged, and I gotta talk about the packaging because I've been hearing a lot of reviews or seeing a lot of reviews about the dents and all of that, but mine was packaged very well. I received my dryer this weekend. I hooked it up. Put that down. I hooked the cord up to it. And this is what happens when I plug it up. Now it ain't moving. Ordered it on the 12th. I received it today, the 14th. So far, so good. I would highly recommend purchasing this little dryer. I already have one, but I needed another one to dry my clothes instead of hanging them up to dry. It can only hold so much, so that's why I got another one. Little dryer, nice portable one. I have it on a little table thing. Does wiggle because the drum in there does wiggle, but there are four little just little itty bitty ones right down here, little legs. But yeah, they're pretty good. Settings are super easy to do. So far so good. First time using it. This does not come with the dryer. It's only 20 bucks on Amazon if you look it up. As you can see, it's not very tall. It's right next to my son's crib. That's a little indoor vent system thing I got. There's